What's up, MTH Nation? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing something that we've never done before. We're going to be showing you exactly what it takes to build one of these trucks the right way. So many of you know we have our custom conversion lineup, Granite Rock Edition GRE for short. Today we're going to be doing the GRE conversion to this 2021 Chevy 3500 LTZ Duramax, and we're going to show you exactly what it takes to build one of these trucks. It's not just in and out like a lot of people think. So we're excited to show you what's going into this, and we'll see you soon. So Vinny, can you explain to me what we're actually doing to this truck?
Well, we're giving it full GRE package. So this one specifically, we're getting a 6-inch Fabtech lift. It's a really nice clean kit. Comes with some really nice parts. Goes together really slick. There's not a whole lot of modification. I mean, you'll see a little bit of modification we got to make in the video, but it goes together really quick. Goes together really smooth. It's gonna make this truck look like a whole new animal.
Awesome. You said that was a 6-inch?
Yep, 6-inch Fabtech.
Sweet. I'm excited. I'm excited to see it. What kind of wheels and tires are we going with?
We got a set of 22-inch Motos, and then a set of 37-inch Yokohama tires that we're gonna try to squeeze in this thing.
37s on 22s. Nice. Let's get back to work, huh?
Oh yeah.
What is that thing?
Speed sensor.
Speed sensor, so that tells you how fast you're going?
Mm-hmm. See the little tabs here? The little lines? That's a little magnet. It picks up every time one of these go by, it counts.
I did not know that.
Mm-hmm.
So Vinny, let's explain some of these components here. What are these things? What are we looking at?
This is a front cross member drop bracket, so your control arms normally mount in this hole, and it brings them down here to correct your suspension angles. You got front and rear. You got differential drop brackets to drop the differential down so that your CV axles aren't at super extreme angles and wear out quick. We got different brackets back here, and yeah, we'll end up having longer shocks. We'll have different knuckles that'll actually relocate everything so it sits proper with the lift. We'll have drop brackets for your sway bar. We'll have drop brackets for all the brake lines, the hoses, the ABS wires, all that'll go in. And then we move on to there, putting the blocks in, taller shocks, U-bolts, all that good stuff.
So there's quite a bit that goes into this stuff, huh?
Well, it's a full day's work, if not then some.
Huh. This ain't no slapper together gig.
Oh no, it's there. There's a lot to do, but it's fun and it's cool to make trucks look rad.
That's right, from a trained professional himself.
Haha. So there's a CV joint and a universal. So a CV joint stands for constant velocity. A universal joint stands for universal joint. Well, with the universal joint, the pinion and the output flange on the knee case are phased, and then this yoke and the yoke on the other end of the drive shaft are phased. This drive shaft will actually change direction twice per rotation.
Wow.
Because the joints change direction. The joints change direction every time it flips from this way to this way. So this joint, or this shaft, actually flips direction twice for every rotation. But the ends, the yokes, stay a constant speed.
Interesting. Very nice. And CV axle only moves one way, huh? Constant velocity.
Mm-hmm. There's no change between the axle shaft itself and the input and the outputs.
Wow.
I'll learn you something. Damn it.
Well, there you have it, guys. That is our entire process of building one of our Granite Rock Edition trucks. In a nutshell, of course, this entire process is actually more like a 2-week time. But man, is it worth the wait. Look how clean this thing is. Black on black on black. Midnight edition. We got that matte black wrap. And as you guys saw, all of our brand new accessories. This thing is mean, clean, and everything in between. Exclusively designed, expertly crafted, and passion driven. That is exactly what goes into a Granite Rock Edition truck, and also what we stand for up on the hill at Minnesota Truck Headquarters. If you guys made it this far in the video, you're the real MVP. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. Tap that like button and hit that bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. We want to make this more of a common thing, something we do more often. It's a lot of fun to build these things, but it is a lot of work. Anybody can do a lifter level, but nobody else can build a GRE. If you guys would like to get into a GRE yourself, or even transform your own truck into a GRE, give us a call at the MTH Garage, or check out our website at yourmth.com to see how you can get into one of these. Take one last look at the old girl. Man, that thing is just sharp.